In this video, we will discuss about question number first, fifth one, exercise 3.2, pair of linear equations in two variables. So, what about the question? Solve the following pair of linear equations by using substitution method. We are having pair of linear equations, and by using substitution method we will find the solution of these equations. So observe how we will solve. Already we completed some question. Similar process we will follow. First we will consider this one as equation number 1. Square root of 2x plus square root of 3y equal to 0. I am taking this one as equation number 1. And second one is what? Square root of 3x minus square root of 8y equal to 0. I am taking this one as equation number 2. Clear? Now, what method we will use? We will use substitution method. In the substitution method, we will take value of one variable from any one equation and we will put that value of one variable value in another equation. So I am taking equation number 2. From equation 2 we want to solve for the y. What we can say? Root 8y equal to root 3x. From this equation, once we transpose this towards the right and then interchanging left to right, then we are getting root 8y will be equal to root 3x. From this one, y will be what? Y will be root 3x divided of root 8. Clear? This is the value of y. I am putting this one as equation number 3. Clear? Now this value of y we obtained from the equation number 2. So we will put this value, we will substitute this value in the equation number 1. Then we will obtain what? One variable equation. Put this value, put value of y, put value of y from equation 3 to 1. We obtain this one from the equation number 2. So we will not put this value in the equation number 2. We will put this value of y in the equation number 1. Put value of y from equation 3 to 1. Then we are getting one variable linear equation, root 2x plus root 3y. Y is what? This one. Root 3x divided at the place of y. At the place of y we are putting this value. Root 3x divided of root 3x divided of root 8 equal to what? In right hand side we are having 0. Solve this one. Root 2x. Now this one is what? Once we put this value in the equation 1, we are getting one variable. Only x as a variable we are having. But these equations are two variables linear equations. What we are getting? We will multiply root 3. We will multiply root 3 into root 3. We are getting what? 3x. Clear? Divided of root 8. Root 3 multiplied by root 3 will be what? 3. Square root will be removed. Equal to 0. Now take LCM. Now I am taking LCM. What will be the LCM? Square root of 8 will be LCM. Its denominator part will be 1. Root 8. Square root of 8 will be the LCM. What? We are taking the LCM both. Then square root of 8 will be the LCM. Now square root of 8 divided by 1. We are getting square root of 8 and result will be multiplied by numerator. Then what we are getting? Square root of 2 into square root of 8x plus one time it is going result will be multiplied by numerator. We are getting 3x equal to 0. Now once we cross multiply, this denominator will be multiplied by 0, then it will be 0. So what we are getting, this one will be what, square root of 16 x square root of a into square root of b. This will be what, square root of ab. So we can say this will be both multiplied will be what, square root of 2 into 8, 16 plus 3x divide, and this will be what, 0. Clear? Now solve this one. Square root of 16 will be what, 4x plus 3x will be what, 0. Or what we can say, 4x plus 3x will be 7x equal to 0. Finally once we find x, then x will be what, x equal to, from this one, x equal to 0 upon 7, and we are getting 0. So value of x will be what, 0. Put x equal to 0 in equation 3. Then what we are getting, x, we obtain x equal to 0. We will put this value in the equation number 3. So once we put 0 there, then what we are getting, y equal to square root of 3 into 0 divided of square root of 8. So we are getting y equal to what, 0. Y equal to what, 0 we are obtaining. How? Once we multiplied any number from 0, then result will be 0. 0 upon something will be what, 0 upon square root of 8 will be what, 0. Clear? So result of y will be 0. X equal to 0 and y will be what, 0. Observe what we are doing, in which we are having two linear equations in two variables. We want to find the solution by using substitution method. So first this one taking as equation number 1 and this one as equation number 2. From these two equations we will find the variable one. From these two equations we will take one equation and solve for the one variable. I am taking this one and solving for the y, we are getting this one. Now we will substitute this value in the another equation. So we obtain this one from this equation, so we will substitute this variable value in the equation number 1. Then we are getting one variable equation and solve for the x, and x value will be what, 0. Then we will put this variable value x equal to 0 in the equation number 3. Then we are getting the value of y, and in this question x and y both are 0. Clear? So x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 are the solution of these pair of linear equations. Clear? I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.